Hello everyone. In previous videos, I have already discussed about what is aldol condensation and what are the different conditions need for aldol condensation, like that is base catalyzed reaction or acid catalyzed reaction. Okay. And I also have discussed some various important questions about aldol condensation reaction. So now in today's session, we are going to discuss about cross aldol condensation reaction. So cross aldol condensation reaction occur, that is when aldol condensation carried out between two different aldehyde or ketone, when two different aldehyde or ketone given with respect to some basic condition or acidic condition, the two different aldehyde will form two different types of product. Okay, so first type of product is self and second type is cross. Okay, so two type is, first one is the self aldol product and second one is the cross aldol product. So self aldol product occur when same type of aldehyde or ketone react together. Okay, if two different types of aldehyde react together, they will form cross aldol product. Now we will take one example. Now we are taking two different aldehyde. First one is the propanaldehyde and second one is the acetaldehyde. We will do aldol condensation reaction. So first of all, I have told two type of product. First one is the self aldol product and cross aldol product. Self aldol product form when two molecule of first type is react together. That is propanaldehyde will react with the another molecule of propanaldehyde. Okay, so what will be the product? I am taking first with first, that is same type. Okay, propanaldehyde react with the propanaldehyde. We are taking this mixture into a solution, so there is a chance of self product. Okay, there are so many number of molecule of propanaldehyde is there and there are so many number of molecule of acetaldehyde also there. So there is a chance of reaction between the same reactant. Okay, if I will take same type, that is propanaldehyde react with the propanaldehyde, it will form product like this. That is this molecule will react with the another molecule of same type. C double bond will react with the another molecule, that is where it will attach, that is next molecule having alpha hydrogen. So here this carbon contain alpha hydrogen, so therefore in next molecule it will react or it will form bond with this carbon. Okay, so we'll have CH3 here. Okay, and another it is attached with aldehyde. Okay, so this is the first type if same first type molecular react together. If now second condition, if second type with react with the second type, means two molecule of acetaldehyde will react together. In basic condition it will form product like this. Write CH3 here. Okay, C double bond will attach to the another molecule of carbon that is having alpha hydrogen. Okay, so here this carbon contain alpha hydrogen, therefore will form bond with this carbon, then it is attached with one aldehyde molecule, then fill hydrogen. So this is the product if two same type of acetaldehyde react together. Okay, so mainly these two are self aldol condensation product. Now we'll see if one react with two and two react with one. Okay, now we are taking when one react with two. Okay, so both molecule have alpha hydrogen here also, here also. Okay, so any of these two molecule can behave as nucleophile and electrophile. Okay, this molecule will behave as nucleophile, this molecule also behave as nucleophile. So based on the condition, okay, so based on the reaction condition what is given, they will form different product. So first, in first condition I am taking first molecule as form nucleophile, that means here abstraction of hydrogen occur. Okay, so if hydrogen will abstract from here, so this will behave as nucleophile and this will attack this carbon. So what will be the product? As we have already discussed about the trick. So here this carbon act as a nucleophile. So double bond will form between this carbon and this carbon. Okay, so first we will draw double bond. This is the second carbon. This is the second molecule carbon. So I will make double bond with this carbon, and what is the substituent here? That is CH3. So I will attach one CH3 here and one hydrogen here. Okay, now this carbon belongs to this molecule, that is this is the carbon, same carbon. Okay, now with this carbon here it is attached one aldehyde group and one CH3 group. So I will attach one aldehyde group and one CH3 group. So this is the cross aldol product. Okay, when first molecule will behave as nucleophile, that means base will abstract hydrogen from this carbon. Okay, now in second condition 2 plus 1, that is second molecule, that is this one acetaldehyde, will behave as nucleophile. Okay, that means base will abstract hydrogen from this carbon. Okay, if this carbon will behave as nucleophile, that means this will attack this carbonyl carbon. Okay, so double bond will form between this carbon and this carbon. Okay, so first we will make double bond. This is this carbon, so second molecule carbon. So we will make like this, and with this carbon it is attached with one aldehyde. So we will attach one aldehyde and one hydrogen here. Okay, this carbon will belongs to this molecule. Okay, here this carbon is same as this carbon. Okay, so this carbon is attached to CH2 CH3, that is ethyl molecule. So I will attach with this CH2 CH3 and one hydrogen here. Okay, so this is the cross aldol product when acetaldehyde behave as nucleophile, and when propanaldehyde behave as nucleophile, so this is the cross aldol product. Okay, so in last two this is cross aldol product, and in first two it is self aldol product. These two are self aldol first two, and these two are cross aldol product, and reaction mechanism for the base catalyzed and acid catalyzed will remain same here. Okay, for two cross aldol product we have to choose which one will be major product. Okay, so for this we have to consider about the reaction condition. So we will go for the condition to choose which one will be the major product. If base catalyzed is given, so lower aldehyde will behave as nucleophile. So in this condition we have taken lower alkyl, that is acetaldehyde, behave as nucleophile in case of base condition. Okay, so what will be the product? This will be the major product. No doubt that this product will form, but this product will be the major product and this will be the minor product if base catalyzed is given, and for this condition lower aldehyde will behave as nucleophile. So this will behave as nucleophile and this nucleophile will attack this carbon. So double bond will form between this carbon and this carbon. So major product will be this product. Okay, and this will be the minor product. Okay, now we will go for the, so what will be the reason for lower aldehyde will behave as nucleophile? Because this base, it is working as a abstraction of hydrogen. So this base will abstract easily from less hinder side of the aldehyde. Okay, therefore lower aldehyde will choose as nucleophile. Now second condition is that for acid catalyzed reaction, higher aldehyde will behave as nucleophile. Okay, why this higher aldehyde will behave as nucleophile? Because you go through my previous videos where I had given a detailed mechanism about acid catalyzed aldol condensation reaction. There one is behave as nucleophile and also other behave as electrophile. So in that acid catalyzed reaction, so main driving force is abstraction of H plus, okay, from acid by the carbonyl oxygen. Okay, so if we'll choose lower aldehyde as nucleophile and it will attack the higher aldehyde, so it will be hindered by this bulky group. Therefore, we'll choose higher aldehyde as nucleophile. If this carbon will behave as nucleophile, so it will attack this carbon easily because this is a lower alkyl group is present and this is less hindered. Okay, so mainly this product will be measured for acid catalyzed reaction and this product will be the minor product. So major product will be, okay, as this behave as nucleophile. So whenever you are choosing the product, you have to consider about the reaction medium. Okay, so this will be the major and this will be the minor. Now for this reaction, predict the product. Okay, just write the product. So what will be the product? This is one aldehyde and this is the ketone. Okay, so this aldehyde does not contain any alpha hydrogen. Okay, therefore it cannot behave as nucleophile. Only this molecule will contain alpha hydrogen. Okay, here this is the alpha hydrogen, so therefore this molecule only behave as nucleophile. This carbon will attack the CHO molecule, aldehyde molecule. So write the product. So as this carbon is reacting with this carbon, so first what we'll do, we'll first make bond between this carbon and this carbon. So this carbon, that is this carbon, is attached with one ketone group and benzene group. So we'll attach like this. Okay, now this molecule, this carbon, for this molecule, this carbon it is attached with one benzene molecule. So this is the, this belongs to this carbon, so we will attach benzene here and one hydrogen here. Okay, so this will be the final product. Students, I hope all of you understand clearly. So if you like this video, please subscribe to my channel, share and comment whatever the topic you need. Thank you.